Good afternoon. This is RJS Roofing here at Sasikumar Selverajan's house. Address is 5075 Rialto Way, Cumming, Georgia. This is our shingle we're going to be replacing due to this damaged tab. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, May 21st, and it's probably like 82 degrees outside. Tools I'll be using is a State Farm roof snake, nail puller, and a hammer. First things first, I'm gonna start by breaking the seals on all of these tabs as gentle as possible.
All right, I'll give an overview before we start. That way, who's ever watching the video can see these two nails were taken. These two rows were taken nails from. You can see there's no prior damage done or creasing or granule loss or really anything of that nature, except for the tab that we'll be replacing.
I'm gonna start removing our nails. I'll start on this bottom row here. Let's try to do it as gentle as possible. Just lifting up my tab high enough to find my nail. I believe this one's it.
All right, I'll give you guys a close-up condition check after each nail we pull. You can see this shingle, not too bad. A little bit of granule loss with some slight tapping, slight broken matting there. And as we go across in the middle, it gets a little bit worse here on the left side, but not too bad overall.
All right, moving over to our second tab. Okay, my nail. This one's kind of high off the seal line.
All right, give you guys another condition check. You see with some light tapping, some granules are coming out of that broken matting. And right here, you can see right here in the corner, that crease starting to form. Right here in the middle as well, and over here in this corner.
All right, moving over, third tab. Okay, my nail.
All right, another condition check for you guys. You see with some light tapping, we've got some granule loss right here. A little bit of broken matting here more in the middle. And right here on the corner as well.
All right, last tab on our bottom row.
All right, like he said, last tab on the first row. You can see we've got some granule loss with that light tapping from right here in the corner, right here in the middle. As we go to the left, you see more broken matting here, crease starting to form.
All right, now we'll move up to the second row here. We should have two nails on this side. Looks like I only have one.
All right, another condition check. You see with some light tapping, got some granule loss, crease starting to form right here on the right side of the shingle. And as we go across the middle, you see a little bit more broken matting and granule loss. And then here on the left side, you can see this crease starting to form right there.
Our second tab, top row.
All right, one more condition check. You see light tapping, some granule loss coming out of this broken matting here. Right here on the right side, right here in the middle, a little bit more broken matting and granule loss right there. And then the left side, you can see it right there as well.
All right, last tab, last nail. This one's pretty high.
All right. Another condition check, you see light tapping, granule loss coming out of this broken matting right here. Right here in the middle is two as well, and then more right here on the left. You can see this crease starting to form right there along the top of that shingle.
All right, now I'm gonna remove our shingle. All right, got our new one in, line it up straight. Now every nail I removed, I'm gonna install back with the State Farm roof snake. Still just getting it high enough to get the roof snake and nail up on the sealant line.
See too in live time, every time he strikes that hammer, we're having more granule loss from the surrounding shingles. Repair test is done. I'm gonna go through every tab with you. Starting with this bottom row. You can see mat breaking here on the right side. Granules loosening up into the middle, into the left. Deeper on this right side, a little lighter in the middle, a little deeper right here on the left side. Deeper right here on the right, a little bit in the middle. Not so bad on this left side. We can still count this little section right here. This one more deep in the right side, granule loss right here. A little bit right here in the middle, a little bit up in this corner. Can't really tell. You can see up here in this corner, it gets a little deep, coming down to the middle. Real deep here in the left side. Deep in this right side, granule loss into the middle, a little bit into the left. Same thing on this last one, all the way across. So after this one repair, we now have 7 brand new damaged tabs. So I'd have to say this repair test has failed. Very brittle roof. I'll give you guys one more slow go over. You see the creases one last time.